Now there is another thing called lead scoring. Lead scoring. Now lead scoring is going to take us to create a new field entirely called lead score. We call the field a lead score. That is the lead score that we're going to use on our formula. So I already have created the formula because it's a long on and on error and this thing before I this thing. So I already have it on my Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. I already save it there. But you already know I've done similar something with it. I will also send it. I will also send it to us too, so that we can make reference to it when we're doing our work. I will send it to us as a file. But I already did the. I've done the coding already. Now let's just look at how you can make do in my own little demonstration. We don't have Einstein analytics available on this our free developer, or it's only available because it's cost a lot of money for your company to get it. It's not for free. So when you start working, the Einstein analytics is going to be available with your company because they integrated the AI into it. Now, what I'm going to do now is see there's a way you can set it up on your own, and I want to set it up since we don't have the other one available here. Now, this is how to do it. You go to the lead object. Let me go to the setup. We need to finish this and move to other listing by next class. I go to the object manager. Then from object manager now, I look for lead. I'm going to create. This is lead now. This lead I created field, another new field entirely for this field, and I'm going to need a formula. So that's why it's going to be a formula field. Where is it? This is formula. Let me go down here and click next. I will call this field lead score. What it does for us is to help us to prioritize our lead in terms of number. To say if it is 9, 10, between 1 to 10, to help us prioritize our number. And it's going to make use of our pick list field industry. That if the industry is agriculture, that was what I used in the code. If industry in the formula, if it is agriculture or something, it should make use of this or that. That's the thing. Then I will say it's going to return number. You know, if it is 9, it's going to say 9, 10 based on that lead score. So just take note of that, please. Then I click next. Now this is where I'm going to make use of my this thing. I will send the file to us so that we can make reference to it. We will need it. Let me Microsoft Excel this thing. Lead score formula. I did the formula. It was a long something, so I can't be engaging in that. It will take me a longer this thing. This is the formula. I'm going to copy it, but I will send it to us in case we might need it. Oh, let me go. It looks like we've done something similar to this, but this one is a bit technical. Then I copy it here. The formula simply means if the peak value, the peak var for industry is finance, I give it 8. If the peak var for industry is technology, I give it 10. If it's based on our company historical data, if the industry is finance, I give it 8. If the industry is the peak value, if the industry is healthcare, I give it 9. If the industry is education, I give it 7. Then this lead will convert. The one that is going to convert more, anyone that is technology, that means if I use this now, And if the lead are coming, I have some technology industry and I have some other lead coming as healthcare and I have one coming as manufacturing. You know what is going to happen is that my end users, I want to make this lead score available in the sense that if they have lead that is coming from technology that has 10, I have another one that is coming from the retail that is just 5. What they will simply do is to attend to those one that is having higher uh, higher figure first, so that they will be the one it will be the one they will attend to first. Then before they now start attending to the one with a lower lead score. That's just what we're trying to build. Now, if you count the number of all these things that I pick, I made them 5. In the sense that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. And these other ones here now, this one is having sorry, this one is 5, this one is 3. The 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see now. Then plus, if it contains a title, if it contains chief financial officer, if it contains director, if it contains title, then that's our 2 at 0 level there. Then now, that is the formula that will bring out the lead score for us at the front end. Then let me check if the syntax is correct. Now, no syntax error at the merge field and function. Everything is okay now. Then definitely we can now make use of our formula. Then click yeah, everything is in order. Turn the black as 0, and yeah, then let me click next now. Then I click next. Then I click save. That means I have a lead score now. Since I have a lead score, I have to go back and say, okay, I already have a lead score as a lead field now in my org. And I want to make it available at the front end. How am I going to do it now? What is the tool that I will use? You know, there is no, let me click all open lead. All open lead now. You can see there is no lead score here. So if I want to make lead score to be among, these are field here. Company is a field, name is a field, email is a field, leads status is a field, status is a field, created date is a field. Now, if I want to make it available here, what am I going to do? That tool is list view. This is it. List view. Is here. So now I go to the list view and say, okay, I want to make select V to display. This is where you now select the field I want to display at the front end. All these leads now are the one available. You can see name, company name. You can see company is available. So these are the one available. I want to now add that lead score that I created. I want to add it to make it available. You get it now. And this is the lead score that I created, so that my end users can have access to that tool that I just configure, I just created for them. You get it now? Yes. You get what I've just done now? We created a lead and we created a field at the back end. And we want to make it available for our end users so that it can help them to guide them to say, let this lead that we just have take a priority. Pay attention to this lead. Based on the numbers we set for it, we now say from 1 to 10. And the one that is carrying 10, that means must take high priority. Any lead that is is, and we assign 10 to technology. Any lead coming from technology, we assign a high priority to it. That lead must be first attended to before they now attend to the one with the lower numbers like 3, 2, 4, 5. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Then I pick the lead. Have I pick it? Yeah, lead score. But I want it to come to the get to the front here. Let me take it up. So lead score should be next to, yeah, yeah. Lead score should be next to company. You will now see it's going to be available here. Now let me save. You can see now. This is our lead score. This thing was not available before. You can see anyone that is being assigned higher points now. Among all this one now, we have just one that is having this lead that is 5. Let me create a new lead entirely. This lead I'm creating now, I just give it phone number, then salutation, let's say Mr. Then first name, let's say Jaru. Let's say Davido. Davido is the last name. Company, Jaru LLC. LLC. Then mobile. So industry now. Let's put the industry at technology. You will see now that if it is technology, our this thing will be high. Where's technology? Technology. Yeah, we'll pick technology. Then annual will be 300, let's say 1 million, 3 million. Then if that is done, lead status now would be working contacted, rating, let's say off. Then what other things do we need to do? Everything is okay now. Title, Mr. Lead source. We can say web. So you see what will happen now. Now let me go to my lead. You can see details. Do we have lead score here? Okay, let me say converted. Okay, now if we're converting any lead, it's going to convert. If lead is finally converting on our platform, it's going to convert to 3 records. The number 1 account, contact, and opportunity. Immediately I convert that lead now, you can see it's being converted to, it's giving an option. This is a new feed. If it's an existing one, we click it, choosing an existing one. So it's going to mark the record so that not going to have a duplicate record. But this is coming in for the first time. Then I say, okay, I want to convert it, account, contact. That's what I was telling us, that whenever you convert lead, it's going to be converted to account, contact, and opportunity. I say convert. Oh, I couldn't complete this. Say, please wait a bit, then try again. If the problem continue, okay, please. This is slow now. Now, let me go back to our lead. Lead. We're supposed to have the open lead. That's 10 because we assign lead score of 10 to technology. So if you have this kind of lead now, and that it has not been contacted, it has not been converted in your org, your end users, your sales rep will first of all attend to this one with a highest score. We now understand it now. They will attend to this one with highest score first, then followed by the one that has like 5, then followed by the one that has 3, followed by the one that has 2, followed by the one that has 1. That's how to do it. That's how to do convert. That's the purpose of lead score that we just created. But there is another modern tool now that is not available on this one. They call it Einstein Analytics. That Einstein Analytics is an application that is being integrated with AI. It's going to really give a lot of details that for the end users to attend to this particular lead, should not attend to this particular lead, and should not pay more attention. We're going to prioritize it for them, like just like what this thing I just demonstrated. At the level of this class, this is what we can just use to demonstrate there. Before I could even derive that formula, it was really, really crazy that we used to get this lead score. That's how to demonstrate it in that regard. Now, let me just show you one or two things on this thing. Well, time has already gone on the leads. Detailed discussion on leads. When you create any lead, it's going to, when you convert any lead, open lead now. When you convert any lead, working, contacted, let's say Betty Bar is working, then I say converted. So whenever your lead is being converted, it's going to give you 3 records. These are the 3 records that you're going to have: account, contact, and opportunity. You might be asked that question in your associate exam or in your admin exam, that when you convert lead, what are the 3 possible records you're going to have? You're going to have account, contact, and opportunity. So immediately we do this now. 3 accounts record will be created whenever we convert lead. Then let's say convert. So you see now, account American Bank, that's the name of the company. Then the contact phone number there, the account name, account owner name, I see color should become there, VP administrator, and all that. So you just say go to lead. So if you want to convert another one, you convert another one. If we go to our accounts now, opportunity, you will see that a new record has been created, which is today, has been created. This one that we just been converted now. You see now, it's starting at prospecting. That means that lead has been converted, that is doing prospecting, that is showing sign of buying from us. Then immediately it's going to go through this opportunity process till when it's finally close won or close loss. 2 things can happen to opportunity at the final stage. It's either it's close won or close loss. So if it is big close won, you say it's close won. If it is big close loss, you say it's close loss. Then you pick it, then you click save. You can now see now, finally, that sales process that started from sales and from lead. After the lead converted, then it move to opportunity process. After it has gone through the opportunity process, different stages, and these things now might take like 2 or 3 days before finally it's being close won. So the person has bought product from you, everything is fine and all that. So we're just going to round up on this next class. It's just, I want to just demonstrate products, how you can add product to this thing. And when you add a product now, this amount figure is going to change immediately. And you're going to have some figure here. you have company product you are selling that must going to be product. When you add product and all the rest, add product or choose the price book. There is a price book you use in your company and all that. We're going to discuss that. That's done then.
Alright, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.